Hello, Wilson. How are you?
Hi, Roger. I'm fine. You?
Good, man. So far, so good, to be honestly. Well, I'm here just to have a chat about the business you're running here in South London. Okay. I know you have two restaurants in here in South London. One is in Brixton Village Market, and another one is not far from there. You don't mind to tell me a little bit about the two restaurants you have in here in
Yes, for
South
sure.
London?
Yes. Yes, we have our first restaurant. We opened up in 2010
Okay.
in Brixton Village Market, as is known now. It's commonly known as Granville Arcade.
Okay.
So the people from Brixton call it Granville Arcade. The new people will call it Brixton Village. They're both right.
All right.
So yeah. We opened about almost 13 years ago in Brixton
Okay.
Village. And then now we opened this second branch last year in October, 3 months ago.
Yeah.
And yes, they're very close to each other.
All right.
15-20 minute walk, depending
Okay.
how fast you are walking. It's in the same street,
All right.
so it's we're here. I mean, for me, it's
Why you open the second restaurant too close to another one?
well, there's many reasons. One is I don't drive.
Okay.
Two, it's easier for us to run.
All right.
It's closer. We can, me or our staff can walk here and there. We can just be closer. And two, I think it's an upcoming area
Okay.
in South London, which has some potential.
All right.
So in a couple of years' time, I think this is going to be a good destination point in South London.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think so? This song will be better and better. To you take the opportunity to put your restaurant in here
Yeah.
to take the advantage. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
More or less, yeah.
Before the market run up. Okay. That is very interesting because it is some way you say it's not far from each other. Okay. But the menu is the same menu, or you have different menu in.
Yeah. No, this is our second branch.
This is a second
So-
branch. Everything is the same.
Everything is the same. We intend to do the same because we want to grow.
Okay.
So we just kept the same. We are planning on the second branch because we have a garden.
Okay.
Back.
All right.
We have a barbecue area,
Okay.
which is one of the second thing that I like about this place.
All right.
So in the spring, summer, we are planning to have a barbecue.
Okay.
Buffet or barbecue platters, or as a family, so people can come and enjoy. So
Yeah. Okay.
so that'll be a different menu.
Different menu because barbecue. You will make a barbecue like a North America barbecue or
No,
like
it'll be
a
more like I'd say South American, Latin American barbecue.
Latin American
meats,
barbecue.
different meats, chorizos.
Okay.
Or like call it carne asada, or we're gonna try and make, but also integrating some of the products that we have in Europe or in England.
Okay.
But yeah, that's the main point of here. I think it's gonna be fun,
Okay.
and yeah,
That will be the only thing will be completely different to another one.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
It's a big difference.
But we
okay.
still have the same menus we have.
The same menu.
So, but yes,
But you planning to running next summer?
yeah, in
Yeah.
a couple of months' time,
It's a
we're
couple of
planning
months'
to
time,
run once a week, twice a week. We'll see how it goes.
Okay. I can see here in your menu you have different choice for the people come here to your restaurant. But the burrito is I think so. You have different burritos in here, and you have fries, salad. You have chorizo con frijoles negros. Is on the menu. Is in Spanish. You said. Yes.
So so the menu is varied. So our main dish is the burritos, and we have many ways to do it. We have the classic burrito wrapped up in the tortilla. We have the neki burrito.
The neki
Which is in a
burrito.
bowl or burrito bowl, as it is known somewhere else. We have the burrito in salsa, which is topped up with a
Which salsa
ranchera
is?
sauce.
Which sauce is?
It's a red sauce. It's a tomato spicy sauce.
It's a spicy
And then
sauce.
it's
It's
just-
like a green sauce in Mexico they have the green
sauce. So we
sauce.
also do the green
with-
sauce, but we use it in our enchiladas.
Ench-
So we use the tomatillos. So yeah, we had a few burritos. We have the Modelo one, which is, we name it Modelo because there's no rice or beans, so it's lighter.
Okay.
So that's what it is. And then we have frijoles with chorizo. With
Okay.
chorizo. I like it, so we made it here, and then it's pretty good. It's really good.
Okay, I call my attention your menu. Some is in Spanish, and another one you explain everything in English.
Yeah, that's
Why you use different language in,
So I
in your
think
menu?
we wanted to create a play with work with people, and obviously show a bit of Spanish. People
Okay.
will try, people will ask. So
Okay.
the names of the main dishes or all the dishes are in Spanish,
Okay,
and then the explanation of the dish is in English.
okay,
So it's just a way of interacting with customers. They will try
Okay.
and say, some people will get it right, some people you just correct, or you just keep going and laugh.
okay.
But it's fun. I think people they like.
Okay, the pollo tinga, that's how you make this pollo tinga?
Well, the pollo tinga, again, we use orange.
Okay,
We
you
use
marinating
in
into
orange,
orange.
garlic, and we also use achiote paste, which give it the color and the flavor too.
Okay,
So yeah, we marinate the chicken in those.
but you marinating or you cooking as well in the orange
no,
juice?
we marinate it with the ingredients, and then
Yeah.
we cook it on the pan.
On the pan. Okay, that's fine. That's really good. You have only 2 menus for people don't eat meat. You think about to increase these these two dish or 2 filling? It's no dish, it's filling.
Yes.
You think about to increase this one to?
Yeah, I mean, we are we have many choices for everybody. There's about 8 different fillings. In those fillings, there's 2 vegetarian, so you can make it vegan.
Okay.
Because our dishes are very, our menu is done in order for people to pick and choose what they can,
Okay.
what they don't want to eat. If you're vegan, obviously there's no sour cream or cheese, you can take it out. And if you just don't want eat cheese or sour cream, then we also have gluten-free options.
All right, that's good. That's really good.
Corn, gluten-free options.
Okay.
So yes, so that's more or less.
Okay.
Uh,
All the fillings is coming with the tortilla, is coming together, or is coming separate? Is
No, I mean like dishes like
I talk about the filling.
the
You have
filling.
the filling. You have pollo, tinga, cerdo, Spanish spicy chorizo, roast vegetable,
Yes.
carne mechada, frijoles mexicano, filet tilapia.
yes.
Okay, that is coming with the tortilla, or well, it's coming
Most of them will, because we got the burrito, which is ratapin tortilla. You got the tacos, you got the quesadillas, you got the enchilada. But we also have burrito desnudo, naked burrito, which is no tortillas.
no tortilla.
So yeah.
Okay, the neki burrito is coming on the plane. Is,
Yeah, it's a bowl.
It's a bowl.
It's known in many places as burrito bowl or
Okay.
naked burrito.
Neki burrito. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's really good. You have only one dessert as well in your menu.
Yes.
Okay. Are you thinking about to increase this one, or you happy only with the churros?
I think over the years we've tried to have one or more desserts, but
One or more
it hasn't worked out. I think for me, it's simple churros with chocolate.
But you
with
make
chocolate sauce.
you make a churro here
So,
as well.
Yeah. So I mean, people like it. It's straightforward, and I think it will stay the same. I think people have no complaints over the years about not having different desserts. So yeah, I think we're good. We're good. But
Okay.
it's done very well.
Yeah, I can see on your website you running a family business in here.
Yes.
All your family is involved in the business as well.
Yeah, my close family, yes. My mom,
Yeah.
my wife,
All right.
she's my business partner too. We're business partners. My son Kenny.
Okay.
He's been helping out since he was a kid, so he knows the business very well.
Okay.
Well, now he's 20, but he's still helping around. He still works for us, and he's doing a very good job. So yes, and I had a few other members of the family come and work for a season, for 2 seasons. So yeah, it's a family business, no doubt.
It's a family
Every
business.
day, yeah.
Yeah.
And also the people who work here, it's also like a family because some of them have been here for a few years. So yeah, so it's a very close-knit workforce.
Yeah. Yeah. I think so. You need your family close to you to run a business. It's better like that because
definitely. I wouldn't be here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be doing this.
Sometimes you be struggle to manage at some point.
It's very difficult.
Yeah.
It's very difficult just to manage one
Okay.
with the family. Imagine running a couple of businesses. It's very important to have people close by, not just family,
Okay.
but the rest of the team.
The rest of the
Very
team.
important to have a good relationship with people, knowing the boundaries, knowing where we're going. I think we're opening the new second site. Even the guys in the team, they were asking, because they want to do more. They think the business can go forward and they can grow too.
Okay. If you don't mind to give me a brief the history for the burrito, just a few minutes. Or
Well, the burrito stories, there's different stories all around. There's one that is it's in Mexico, not from Mexico. I think they kind of like created years ago, and they took it to very well. It was known, or it got very well known in the USA.
Yeah.
In San Francisco, actually, I think that's where
Yeah.
I think it happened, and then it got very well known. But there's different stories. I just heard there's a couple more stories in the 1800s, in 1900s, which I didn't know about. But yeah, it's really a controversy, I guess.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I leave it to you guys to decide which one is better.
That's
as long
good.
as it's good, as long as it's done in a good way with flavor and you like it, it doesn't really matter where it comes from or who does it.
Yeah, it is. Okay, thank you so much, Wilson, for your time.
Thank you, Roger.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
A pleasure for me to be here, to be honestly. Okay.
Me too. Thank you.
Have a very nice day.
Yeah,
Bye.
you too. Bye.